Welcome back. So in today's video lesson, live lesson, we are going to understand what is MFA. MFA stands for multi-factor authentication. So if you want to understand multi-factor authentication in a very simple way, or if you are trying to make understand the business who is not aware of IT terms and IT technologies, the simple way to explain MFA is just like an OTP for your bank transaction. So let's say you are logging into your bank portal with your login and password, and the next step is to verify yourself through a one-time password which comes to your mobile device, right? So similarly in AWS, the IAM users with which we log in, there is a multi-factor authentication we can enable to secure the account. And that is also one of the best practices of AWS IAM service. So let's do it manually, step by step and click by click. So let's go to IAM service first because we are going to create a new user. So we are in the IAM dashboard. Let's see what are our users already existing here. And you will notice that the user SID has already a MFA device attached, because as one of the best practices and SID being having admin access, I have enabled the multi-factor authentication to the user SID. Okay, now I am going to create a user called demo, right? And I will go next. I won't do anything else. I will just create the user. And here our user demo has been created, right? Now I want to use or I want to attach the MFA device to the user demo, so that when the user demo logs in, he or she has to put her password first and then a second authentication through a authenticator device. So let's go into demo, go to security credentials. You see here the multi-factor authentication MFA is showing as 0, right? Assign MFA device. I will put as demo auth, right? I will choose the authenticator app. It can be your any app like Google Authenticator and security key, which is like through some of the companies like Gemalto and other guys. And next is we can do next, right? And what I can do here is it's telling me like either I download Google Authenticator or some of the apps like Duo Mobile or Authy app. I will go with Google Authenticator, and I will now scan this particular code to verify the things so that I can add the MFA to this particular account. So it will, let's say it will show me the QR code, and I will scan the, I have already downloaded the Google Authenticator on my mobile device, and I am going to scan the QR code. And here I am already signed in, and I am been asked to verify the MFA code 1. Okay, let me verify it. And the next code again, 9592. Okay, and let's see whether it gets added. And yes, your MFA device has been assigned, and it's saying like you need only one MFA device to sign into AWS console or create a session through AWS CLI with that user. So, and every time the user demo logs in, he or she has to put in his or her password, and also has to put in this MFA authentication. So the Google Authenticator has to be opened, and the code which is reflecting at that time needs to be put into login. So this is a extra step for security and one of the best practices for AWS IAM services. So I hope there you got some value add through this particular small video lesson. These are very small and easy to do video lessons, which are basics of AWS or any cloud computing. And in this way, I would like to teach you step by step and click by click. Thanks and see you soon in the next video lesson. Bye.